I'm Aurélie Fontan. I'm a fashion designer from Paris, and my new collection has been entirely designed on a smartphone. In this collection, I'm using my Samsung Note9, and it's really easy because I can do everything from sketching to prototyping to 3D manipulation. I can actually sketch on it like I'm sketching on paper. The phone has a lot of memory, so I can store very, very big files. I just send it to the 3D printer, and then it comes back and I have a prototype to go on my collection. The rise of technology in fashion, especially couture, doesn't mean that craft is dead, it's just enhanced in a different way. I think in the future, anyone is going to be able to print their own dress. I'm really looking forward to using this type of technology for future projects. I hope everybody enjoys looking at this collection as much as I enjoyed making it.